everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a quick unboxing to do from Julep. I would like to say that I just decided to get it this month instead of saying that in reality I forgot to cancel it this month, so I have no idea what I'm getting. But it says if you can put it on, you can pull it off. Brave and pretty, light and luster. So this, for those of you who may not know, is usually a nail polish company, but they have been getting more and more under makeup. And it says not quite a concealer and not just a corrector. Perk It Under Eye Treatment Brightener is more like an instant eye lift. It's infused with micro pearls to instantly brighten, plus turmeric root extract to soothe, and caffeine to perk up the look of tired eyes. And then it has 4 shades, and I'm assuming that I have that in my box this month. So they send it this monthly, and which is great, but you have to cancel it by the 20th if you don't want it, and I just sometimes forget to do that. And I love their stuff. They really do have great products, but I don't need so much. Oh, I didn't even get it. That's hilarious. I don't need so much eyeshadow, or eyeshadow, I saw that because it said this, nail polish, just because I get my nails done, so I don't often paint them myself. It's funny that I got it white because Katie was looking for a white, so here is a white, and I was trying to see if it tells me what the name of it is. Lottie, Classic White with a Twist. And then this one is Jesslyn Bombshell, and it is kind of a sparkly gold. And then I also have the Full Coverage Eyeshadow Duo. It says it feels like velvet, and it looks like it's in the colors Tap and Ballet, which are totally not my colors at all. So this will probably go to my daughter. Nice packaging though. Very pretty. And then those are the colors. There's a little mirror at the top. Very nice. Just again, not my colors. So I will probably either save this and put it in Katie's Christmas stocking, or I'll just give it to her, or send it in a care package. I will definitely at least save it for a care package. I won't just give it to her. And I might just send this whole box because honestly I don't think that I will use it, and she may. So there we go. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a great day, and if you like nail polish or you're looking for some new nail polish, go to julep.com, and they do have the subscription box, which is quite fun, and they give you points when you order, and that's fun too because you can pick out product for free. So thanks so much. Bye-bye.